Welcome, welcome. Let's do some math, refresh our brains. This is Miss Blackman doing a little problem for Bridge to College, so let's focus up. We've been talking about exponentials for a while, and if I have a table of values and I ask you to write an exponential equation or exponential function for this table of values, if you remember, we could always write an exponential in the form of y equals a times b to the x. We've been using these letters. Our a is our starting value or initial value. Initial. And this b value here, we've been talking about is our growth factor or decay factor, what we're multiplying by every time. I'm going to write that real quick. Growth slash decay factor. All right. So this initial value is whenever x equals 0, and we can get that from the table right here. Whoa, x equals 0, you got that f of x equals 1. So if I start with this equation, I'm going to say I've got y equals 1 times b to the power of x. Now we got to figure out what b is. Well, again, it's my growth factor, and I see that these numbers are all growing, right? They're getting bigger. So what am I multiplying by every time? Well, 1 times 5 is 5. 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times 5 is 125. I'm multiplying by 5 every time. Multiplying by 5 every time. So my b value, my growth factor, has to be, whoa, you freaking guessed it, 5. Okay, so I can just drop that 1 because anything times 1 is just itself, so it's really just 5 to the power of x. There's my exponential function that represents that table of values. Let's do one more. Okay, again, y equals a times b to the power of x. My a, my initial value, whatever I'm starting at, when x equals 0, f of x equals 3. So I've got y equals 3 times b to the power of x. Now looking for my b value, what am I multiplying by every time? Well, to get from 3 to 6, you multiply by 2. You're just doubling, right? From 6 to 12, hey, still multiplying by 2, still multiplying by 2, still multiplying by 2. So my b value has to be 2. Here is my exponential equation. Y equals 3 times 2 to the power of x. Sometimes I like to write it like this. Y equals 3 times 2 to the power of x. So cool. Okay. Thank you. Have fun. Bye.